Have you ever felt your skin screaming after a Brazilian wax? Afterward, you might only see redness. But did you know this is just the tip of the iceberg? Beneath your skin, tiny inflammatory spikes occur. These are reactions you can't feel right away. Standard aftercare often misses these crucial spikes. This is where 2026's flexible wearable biosensors come in. They are a complete game changer for your skin health. These biosensors monitor every subtle change in your skin temperature. They operate safely and in real time, giving you immediate insights. These ultra-thin patches track even the tiniest shifts, down to millidegree precision. First, we calibrate the sensor to differentiate between normal body heat and wax-induced inflammation. For the first 24 hours, the most critical time for folliculitis, we monitor every spike closely. This gives us a complete picture of how your skin responds to waxing. Here's a real-time heat map of the waxed area over 6 hours. You'll notice how heat spreads and peaks in zones most likely to flare. We tested various post-wax serums to see which effectively reduce inflammation. A danger zone emerges, enter it, and breakouts may appear before you realize. Everyday activities, like workouts or tight clothing, can trigger sudden temperature spikes. The biosensor alerts you instantly, prompting you to apply a cold compress or soothing serum. Matching these alerts with any discomfort reveals a key truth: internal heat equals external pain. By analyzing the data from the biosensor, we can create a personalized recovery plan. This changes aftercare from reactive to proactive. High-tech monitoring could provide a permanent solution to post-wax irritation. It helps you recover faster, smarter, and with much less discomfort. If you want to explore more wearable tech and real-time skin recovery experiments, hit subscribe now. Turn on notifications. Your skin deserves care backed by science.